In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to guide yourself through using Google Docs effectively. We all love the convenience and collaborative features Google Docs offers. However, from time to time, you might run into some hiccups, and that's where this guide comes in. Let's dive into ensuring your Google Docs experience is as smooth as possible. First, head over to Google Docs and log into your account. This is your gateway to creating and editing documents and accessing many valuable features Google Docs offers. Once you're logged in, you're all set to start working on your documents. Now, before you do anything else, let's take a moment to consider your internet connection. Having a stable and strong internet connection is crucial because Google Docs operates online. If your connection is spotty, it might disrupt your workflow. You can quickly check your connection by trying to open other websites. If you encounter issues, consider restarting your router or, if possible, switching to another, more reliable network. Next, if you're encountering issues with a specific document, it's often helpful to refresh and reopen the document. While this sounds simple, a hard refresh can work wonders. If you're on Windows, press Ctrl plus Shift plus R, and if you're using a Mac, that's CMD plus Shift plus R. This will give the page a complete refresh, which can iron out any small glitches you might be experiencing. Alternatively, close and reopen your document tab and make sure you've logged back into Google Docs. If your problems persist, clearing your browser cache and cookies could be the solution. Open Chrome and click on the menu, which is shown as 3 vertical dots. Go to More Tools and then Clear Browsing Data. Make sure you select cached images and files along with cookies before clearing them. This process can significantly improve browser performance. After you've done this, restart Chrome and try reopening your file. Extensions can be incredibly useful, but some might interfere with how Google Docs works, especially ad blockers or privacy tools. Access your extensions by typing Chrome extensions into your browser's address bar. Turn off extensions temporarily to see if they are causing any issues. After you've done that, reload your document and check if the problems persist. By following these steps, you've covered the essentials to ensure a smoother experience with Google Docs. Whether you're writing, editing, or collaborating, these tips can save you time and frustration, allowing you to focus on your work. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Remember to subscribe for more helpful walkthroughs and tips on making your digital life easier.